Hey guys, are your gutters completely clogged and nasty again? Cleaning them each year, each season is definitely difficult, annoying, and can be dangerous depending on your roof. It might be time for gutter guards. If you don't like cleaning out your gutters on a regular basis, gutter guards may be a good solution for you. Your gutters are important when it comes to protecting your home's roofing, siding, foundation, and landscaping from the effects of rainfall. However, gutters can be a pain to clean, especially if they're surrounded by heavy trees, landscaping. Leaves, stick, pine needles, and other debris can easily clog your gutters, negating the benefit effects of gutters. Gutter guards and gutter shields are helpful, but occasionally still need maintenance and brooming off or spraying off. There are many different types on the market. You can buy them in different colors, different sizes, different styles. Here's a PVC plastic type, a little more flexible, less sharp, easy to work with for the do-it-yourselfer. While many of the gutter guard systems installed require some type of self-tapping metal screw to be screwed down, we opted for these easy drop-in methods. So this is a 3-inch drop-in method. You won't believe how easy this is. So you're going to angle the edge. There's two sides to this. This is the side that will click into your gutter. If you have a standard residential size gutter, this is the side that will slip between the shingle and the metal drip edge. You really want to lock it in place right between the metal drip edge and underneath the shingle. There's a small gap under there. Angle it and get it right between the metal drip edge and the shingle. It actually will just slide right in. And then reposition it. It will snap right in between. Lock it in place. That is literally it. Your gutter is protected from new leaves entering. You buy as many pieces as needed, and you just keep installing them all the way down to the end of your house. I bet you can do it yourself.